friends, thank you so much for joining me at Mama Needs a Goal today. I wanted to share with you a low to no fat dessert recipe that I've been making probably for the last 17 years. It's called a lemonade cheesecake pie. I found this recipe many years ago on the Kraft Food website. It's no longer there, but I did find a blogger who had permission to share it, so I'm going to link her blog below in my description box so you'll be able to access the recipe. The ingredients for this recipe are all low or no fat, and also the pie crust. I have been having a difficult time finding low fat pie crust, but you can make this recipe without the pie crust if you wish. I've done it many times, but this recipe is great if you're on Weight Watchers, if you're trying to cut out sugars and fats, if you have a sweet tooth and you just need something to satisfy that sweet tooth. This is the recipe for you. So now let's get started and get into the recipe. Okay, so first I put my cream cheese in the bowl to soften it. And then I'm going to remove my pie crust lid and get that ready. And then we're going to go ahead and take my sugar-free lemonade. Crystal Light works really well with this. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. I'm going to sprinkle that over there. And then all I'm going to do is take the mixer and I'm going to beat it until it is smooth. Grab my milk, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix it again. Then I'm going to put my milk in there. Mix it up. Now you can see that it's becoming soft. Okay, now that it's all mixed up, I'm going to release this. We're going to go ahead and open up our Cool Whip, and then you are just going to stir it in. We're not going to mix it, we're just going to gently stir that in. Like that. Alright my friends, this is what the pie looks like finished. Now I will cut a slice and show you. That'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know in the comments section below if you end up making the lemonade cheesecake, and let me know how you liked it. Until then, I'll see you next time, and thanks so much for joining me at Mama Needs a Goal.